Create a new design and type your text. Change the background color. And pick a text color. Download this image as a JPG or PNG file. Make the background the same color as the text. And make the text the color that your background was in the other design. Upload the file that you just saved. Place this image over your design. Make sure it covers the entire canvas. Crop the image to make part of the other image visible. And that's how you create this split color text effect.